Welcome all children. Hope you all are well. As we have done with the types of unit cell, today the topic we'll be covering is 7 primitive unit cell and their possible variations as centered unit cells. So we have already done 7 primitive unit cells. They are cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, hexagonal, rhombohedral and triclinic. So I made a technique for this. Cubic, first letter I'll take C. For tetragonal T, O, M, H, R, T. C, Tom hurt. देखिए Tom hurt करता है. C, Tom hurt. So what will be the possible variations for each crystal system? To some people it always matters whether the pizza is freshly baked. Pizza is freshly baked. But to some it doesn't matter whether it is freshly baked or what. They just need a baked pizza. So they consider pizza is baked. Some say pizza when first time baked. Pizza when first time baked need more energy and is more time consuming. So they say pizza first time baked need more energy. While others say pizza always needs energy. Pizza making always needs energy. So it is PE. But to some it doesn't matter. They just want pizza. So they go to Pizza Hut and say pizza, pizza, pizza. So it is PFB, PB, PFBE, PE, PPP. What I said? PFB. All of you say PFB, PB, PFBE, PE, PPP. So for cubic, what is PFB? P is primitive, F is face centered and B is body centered. P is again primitive and body centered. So these are the two possible variations for tetragonal, primitive and body centered. Then for orthorhombic, primitive, face centered, body centered and end centered. For monoclinic, primitive, end centered. Hexagonal, rhombohedral and triclinic, primitive, primitive, primitive. Next, you have studied the term axial distance or it is the edge length. Edge lengths or axial distance are A, B and C. So you see here also there is one technique. In first case it is A is equals to B is equals to C. Next time A is equals to B is not equals to C. A is equals to B is not equals to C. Third time A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Now this is being repeated. A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Then this comes back. A is equals to B is not equal to C. Then this comes back. A is equals to B is equals to C. Then last one is A is not equal to B is not equals to C. Is that clear? So it is first A is equals to B is equals to C. A is equals to B is not equals to C. A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Then this is being reverted. A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Then A is equal to B is not equal to C. Then A is equal to B is equals to C. And last one be A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Now we'll be studying about the axial angles. Axial angles are alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma is equals to 90 degree. These are the axial angles alpha, beta, gamma in case of cubic, tetragonal and orthorhombic. Alpha will be equal to beta is equals to gamma is equals to 90 degree. That is all the three axial angles will be equals to 90 degree. They will be perpendicular. 90, 90. All the three angles. Now coming to the fourth one, monoclinic. Here you see alpha is equals to gamma and in hexagonal alpha is equals to beta. So monoclinic alpha is equals to gamma. Next one alpha is equals to beta. Alpha is equals to gamma is equals to 90 degree. Here alpha is equals to beta is equals to 90 degree. So here two angles came. Alpha and gamma, what is left is beta. It means beta is not equals to 90 degree. While next one alpha is equals to beta is equals to 90 degree. The two angles that came here alpha and beta, what is left is gamma. So here gamma is equals to 120 degrees. Gamma is equals to 120 degrees. Next one, alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma is not equals to 90 degree. Till now, if there is something which is coming equals to 90 degree, but in the second last, all the three axial angles are equal. Alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma, but they are not equal to 90 degree. And in the last one, none of the angles are same. They all are different and are not equal to 90 degree. So alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degree. So now I just hope you all have learned this. So let me revise this again for first one, second one and third one. Alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma is equals to 90 degree. So for all these it is alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma is equals to 90 degree. Fourth one, alpha is equals to gamma. Fifth one, alpha is equals to beta. For fourth one, alpha is equals to gamma is equals to 90 degree, but beta is not equals to 90 degree. Next one, alpha is equals to beta is equals to 90 degree, and in hexagonal gamma is equals to 120 degree. In rhombohedral, second last, alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma. All the three angles are equal but are not equal to 90 degree. And for triclinic it is alpha, none of the angles are equal and none are equal to 90 degree. So alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degree. Next we'll do the examples. Examples of cubic is NaCl, zinc sulfide. For tetragonal it is white tin or SnO2. For orthorhombic it is rhombic. Next, rhombic sulfur. In the same way, for monoclinic you can also write monoclinic sulfur. Next, hexagonal it is graphite. For rhombohedral it is calcium carbonate. And for triclinic it is K2Cr2O7. So I just hope this one is clear to everyone. You know what is primitive cell, you know what are face centered, body centered. So you can make the structures also. So here it is shown. There are 14 possible brevis lattices that we have discussed. 14 are there. So for cubic it is primitive, body centered and face centered. For tetragonal it is 2 primitive and body centered. And for orthorhombic it is 4 primitive, end centered, body centered and face centered. For monoclinic it is primitive and end centered. And for the last 3, hexagonal, rhombohedral and triclinic, it is primitive and primitive. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you.